Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you. I wouldn't like to turn this speech into an award-winning academy speech, but I would be remiss if I don't mention every person who made tonight's event possible. First of all, I would like to thank the people behind tonight's event. Miss Chelita and Seferino Francisco of Torinos Bibingka Catering, Miss Isa Andrina and Mr. Patrick Permiluna are master of the ceremony. Miss Emaiza May Ortega for video and photography. Also, she's my tonight's event coordinator. Thank you so much. I would like to express my gratitude to everyone for being here with me tonight. It's such a privilege to see all of you guys. Aristotle very well said, without friends, no one will choose to live, though he had all other goods. To my dearest college friend in Iris, my circle of friends, and my tropa, I love you guys so much. 4 years is really not enough to get to know you guys more. I really appreciate your presence tonight in spite of our busy schedules. I appreciate how you guys show how excited you are about this event. I really appreciate every word indeed you shared for the wackiest and coolest brunch ever. Thank you for taking me in your circle and for making my college life worthy. Thank you for never-ending stories, deepest secrets, and shocking news we've shared. Last but not the least, thank you for being a shoulder to cry on and lifting me more than a stride to make me strong. To my beautiful TIV friends, thank you for helping me adjust in college and giving my life a great twist. Even for a short time, but we're still here keeping in touch to each other. I'm really grateful for having you guys. Moving on, I would like to show my appreciation to my family. I'm really thankful that I was born in such. I may not be born on a silver platter, but I can boast that I was born on a platinum platter, a precious metal which God will never ever break. To my special friend Ada Marge, thank you for all fond memories you had. Thank you for the non-stop patience you have given to me, for being my ate and my companion. Thank you for always supporting me, especially when I really need you. I have to admit that you are more thoughtful than me. I believe that it's really hard to find someone like you. You're the greatest. Lastly, I would love to thank my parents. Thank you for the 24 years of fruitful upbringing. To my mom, my ultimate idol, an independent woman. Thank you for being the greatest mom in the world. You're the best. I know I'm guilty of being less affectionate, but I hope my actions are enough to show how much I love you. To my dad, thank you for being the greatest irony even you're not here anymore. But I know that you're always watching us. Above all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to my Savior, my fortress, and my best friend. Thank you for the 24 years of wonderful existence. I've experienced a lot of difficulties in my life, yet I'm still here standing, even though it's not obvious. God is true to His word. People may be unruly, hard to understand and such, but God is always true to His promises. I depend to Him and only in Him. I believe in Him and only in Him. Thank you so much, guys.